The objectives of push-button procurement for seller are as follows. PBP provides new government buying organization to procure on government e-marketplace without being worried about the price reasonability. Reduce the complexity of the procurement process. Improve order fulfillment efficiency. Strengthen your reputation and build trust. Gain valuable insight into government procurement trends. Improve brand awareness. First visit gem.gov.in and click on Login. Enter user ID. CAPTCHA text. And click Submit. Enter your password. And click on Submit to proceed. Click here to view all PBP. Click here to participate in PBP. Click here to proceed. Click here to proceed. Click on Show Total Price. Click here to proceed. Click OK to proceed. Click here for OTP. Enter OTP. And click on Verify OTP. Participation is successful.